welcome to Izzy's Adventure channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, please.
And also we wanna, we did go to GameStop because we did a pre-order for Chucky from Child's Play. We got it today. This is a 10-inch Chucky. This is so cool.
This big boy is heavy.
Yeah, this is so cool. And also we got Gladiator. It's one of my best movies of all time, Gladiator. We bought this at GameStop. Also, they have Funko Pops if you're interested in buying them to your local GameStop. That's what we got today on GameStop.
What do you have in the box?
I'll give me a second because the view with the video is different. Oh no, yeah.
Is it different?
It's different, but look, the view's not so good. It'll be better like right here. Box is sent to us by our good friends over at Unlock the Con. If you guys are interested
On placing orders from them, we've been buying from them, and they still good quality of Funko Pops. So I haven't had no problems with any Funko Pops from them. So if you're interested, we will put the information under the description, all the information of them on our channel. You'll see it. And this is Adventure channel. So we got this today by the mail. Let's open up and see what we got in this box. Let's go. Ready to go? Open it up. Okay, do the drums. This is so cool.
oh, you got the information.
Yeah. Information. And let's go reorder. Let's see. Yeah, you can see here what we got. And my favorite cartoon movie, Up. And this is Carl. This is really cool. This is so nice. Hold on, Nitro. And hold on. We have to show them right now. Mommy's busy there. I'll just put them over there, okay? The second box, just leave that one there, and then we're gonna open up this one. This is the second one.
I don't know if it shows clear. I can't see. I'm too short.
Don't worry, we'll fix it up. Oh, snap. Zero. Limited edition. This is from Jack the Skeleton. See? That is so cool. Thank you so much, guys. They sent us a limited edition and it's in good quality. It has the case. It's really cool because they're well taken care of. There's no damage on the boxes, none of that. So
Art series. Yeah.
it is really cool. And this is box number 3, and we did order Sally. That is so cute. That is so cute. I want to thank Barry and Ashley. If you guys are interested in ordering some
Our order into Funko Pop a couple of months ago, and they were the first people that we ordered from. Right, Izzy? So we will show those Funko Pops again on the next video. We have so many, as you see in the background. We have a lot of different characters from movies, cartoons, Disney, because we're fanatics of Disney, and also from Universal. We like scary movies. We like.
What did we get? Okay, let's start out with that one.
We got this one.
Oh, this is so cool from Incredibles. Show it. This is from Incredibles. A little tiny Funko Pop. That is so cool. Hold on. We'll just show right now, little by little. Oh, we got Stranger Things. I don't know if some people we got fanatics there. Stranger Things. Because we are fanatics of Stranger Things show. Hold on, there you go. There you go. Yeah, because it's gonna scare people when it's loud.
Yeah, because when they have the headphones, they're like, bah!
And this is the other one.
Hold on.
This is Officer Hopper. We got Officer Hopper from Stranger Things. One of the cool person from the show. And one of my favorite movies from Marvel, Black Panther. This is so cool. And then we have another character from Black Panther, Nakia.
Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, like, and share to family members, friends. We like to do fun stuff. We want to get to a journey on this channel with Izzy to have a fun, healthy environment, and just to share and like and subscribe.